Today is February the 13th, 2018, and it is a Tuesday afternoon. Actually, it's around 2:25 p.m. And I just want to share healthy information today because I feel good. I feel like I want to make some changes to the way I'm doing things because right now I'm dealing with something called a barracuda or bugaboo. That is your stress and depression. But in the process of this thing, I'm still learning. I'm forcing myself to learn healthy things so that I can learn, so that I can make some changes in my life. But I want to discuss or just talk about carbohydrates today. Do you know what carbohydrates are? Well, carbohydrates is a nutrient that is in your body needs, right? It's an organic compound made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Those are some of the same compounds that the body is made of. Well, carbohydrates are the main energy source that the body uses for energy, and it gets used before the protein, before the fats and the alcohol. Carbohydrates provide the fuel for the central nervous system and energy for the working muscles. Carbohydrates are so important for the brain functions. They are influence on mood, memory, and energy. They consist of sugars, starches, and fibers that are found in fruits, vegetables, and grain, and also milk products. Carbohydrates are chemically broken down into monosaccharides. So what is monosaccharides? Well, that is a form of sugar, okay? And sugar's names are glucose, fructose, sucrose, dextrose, and so many other names. But what happens is that sugar, that monosaccharides, goes into the circulatory system. The circulatory system has several important functions. It delivers the oxygen, the nutrients, and hormones to the cells. And it carries away the waste and carbon dioxide from the cells. Well, those building blocks, which are your amino acids, that's your protein, your fats, which are your oils or your fatty acids, and your sugar, which are your monosaccharides. Well, that stuff is absorbed into the circulatory system through the intestinal wall, and then the carbohydrates began to break down into two forms of carbs: simple and complex. Yes. Now, simple complex carbs are considered to be the starchy foods like candy, cakes, cookie, fruit juice, whole milk, yogurt, and fruit juices, or table sugar, stuff like that. Well, those complex carbohydrates take longer for your body to break down, and it doesn't go directly into the bloodstream. Now, your complex sugars are also called your non-starchy food, and they consist of the cabbages, the carrots, the lemon, the oatmeal, the grapefruit, and the celery. Okay, and celery and other forms of complex carbs. But complex carbs take longer for your body to break down. Unlike the simple sugar, that goes directly into the bloodstream. Well, anyway, that monosaccharides is an individual small sugar molecule, okay, that can be absorbed directly into the bloodstream, as I said. And it's for example, like your glucose and your fructose, okay. Those are the monosaccharides. Well, since the carbohydrates exist in food, not only monosaccharides, but as many combinations of these monosaccharides are linked together, your body has to cut these carbohydrates to their individual monosaccharides unit. And I'm going to stop right here. Join me for the second part of carbohydrates. Okay? Thank you for listening. Know that I love and care for you.